This is the POPOSOAP Pond Waterfall with pump. Just comes in a plain brown box. Let's take it out of the box. In the box, you get the instruction manual there. You get the waterfall box, the pump for it, a hose, extra fittings for the pump, as well as little suction cups for it. You get some glue to assemble this, and a bag. The idea is this has like a drawstring at the top. When you have everything all set, you're going to put the pump with the hose coming out of the bag, so if there's leaves and stuff like that, they won't clog the pump up. Let me tell you a little bit about this, then I'm going to show you how it goes together, and then of course we'll test it out. So what they did here is they've used 304 stainless steel for the waterfall box right there, so it's not going to rust or corrode or anything like that. The pump is a 40-watt pump and puts out 660 gallons per hour. This particular one is 12.2 inches wide. However, they also make an 8 and a 24-inch model as well. The hose here is 9.8 feet. And the pump also has an adjustable speed on it. So now let me show you how this goes together. The hose is going to attach right over here. I'll show you that in a minute. But I want to show you how this is assembled, because you have to assemble and glue it. Otherwise, it's going to leak. Now, take a look right over here. Sort of a cutout type, I don't know how to really explain it. And a similar thing over there. Well, you're going to take this piece, the spillway. You see how it has a nice beveled edge there? That's going to give you that, what you're looking for. Okay? Grooves and grooves. So you need to line that up together and put that in on that side like that, and I got the other side all set like that. So that's what it looks like assembled. But again, you need to glue it, because otherwise it's going to leak. Alright, we're going to skip that for right now, because I want to show you how the hose attaches to it. This is pretty simple. First of all, there's two different size ends. The smaller end is going to fit the pump right over here, and this larger end is for the waterfall box right there. This is a standard screw thread like that, and there's screw threads there. You just screw it in. There's nothing for me to even show you on that. For the other side, and again, if these 90-degree angles aren't working for you, you can adjust all that. You're going to want to tighten the clamps so you get everything just right where it's supposed to be. This unscrews, and you're going to find two gaskets here. Separate them out. Well, let's get that off first. Alright, so that comes off. We'll pull one of the gaskets off. And now, this is going to go from the inside of the box, is where this end goes. So with the gasket, see, like that, that goes through. Then you're going to take that gasket and put it back on there. This goes back together, and then you screw it from the inside to cinch that up. And of course you can adjust the angle that you need right there. For the pump itself and that end of it, they give you this 90-degree angle connection that's there, but there are a couple of others in this bag. So you can select whichever one that you need if you want a straight one instead. And in fact, I might just swap that out there. And then you can see the little suction cups. Well, they just slot into the keyholes right over there. So now I'm going to put this together and I'll show you the unit working. Now you can use this with a pond, but you also can use it with a swimming pool. That's what I have. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Excellent. It just simply works. Let's get another shot of that from afar. So you can see that adds a lot more visual appeal to whatever you have. This could be a pond or a pool or anything like that. If you have a pond, you could put rocks around it and things like that to kind of hide it even better. But as it is right here, it kind of just looks like it's there. Just kind of belongs. Simple like that. So once again, this was the POPOSOAP Pond Waterfall with Pump. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Here's some behind-the-scenes magic to make this work. Extension cord running over, and I put the pump in the far skimmer there, and it just kind of hides below everything.